Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Yusri. Please, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I drop new video like this. And if you are already on this channel before, you know how we do it. Kindly hit the thumbs up button, like this video, and drop a comment. If you have anything disturbing you or you want to ask, kindly drop a comment in the comment section below. I will answer any question. With that being said, let's get started. So the website we'll be using today is called orchid.ng. It's a Nigerian website. As you can see, as the domain implies, .ng. So you can earn money from anywhere, but it's a Nigerian website. Let's be clear here. So on this website, you can earn money different ways, ranging from performing social media tasks like liking, following, and retweeting, social media tasks like that. And you can also earn money by helping people build their social media accounts. If you know about social media management, you understand what I'm saying. And you can also start your airtime and business data on this platform, like selling airtime to people and data. You know, all those people that post our data flyers here and there. So you can start here as well. And you can also refer people to this website and make your money. If you understand affiliate marketing well, you know what I'm saying. On this platform, you can also post your advert to reach many people, because many people are on this website. So let's check different ways of making money on this platform. Let's click performing social media tasks. So if you want to join as a social media tax performer, as you want to work, you have to pay a sum of 1,000 naira to join. I know that sounds somehow, but you can earn your money within a day or two. Let me say within a day if you're ready to work. So if you pay the 1,000 naira one-time fee, then you can begin to work. As you can see, following people and page, you earn 3 naira. Following an account on AudioMark, you earn 10 naira. Liking a post, both Facebook and all, you earn 33 naira per like. So per YouTube subscription, you earn 30 naira. View and post comment, you earn 20 naira per view and comment. To post comments on selected social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, you earn 15 naira. Sharing a post, you earn 10 naira. Retweeting on Twitter, you earn 10 naira, and like that. As you can see, if you check yourself, you understand. So let's say per day you are able to follow 100 accounts on both different apps. That's 300 naira. You are able to follow 50 accounts on AudioMark. That's 500 naira, making it 100. Liking, let's say 100 or 1,000 posts. Let's pick 1,000 posts. That's 1,800. Like that, you can see that you've made more than the 1,000 that you pay as a one-time fee. So that's about performing social media tasks. So let's check boosting social media portfolio for people. So yeah, you don't need to pay any money to start. So all you have to do is fund your account and start getting social media engagement for people. You can see buy follower. You can buy real follower for 5 naira per follow. And you can be charging any amount you like. For this follower, you'll be buying 5 naira. So you can see that this is a urge way to make money online. As you can see, different. So YouTube, you can be charging 100 naira for a YouTube subscription and be buying it 50 naira a year. So, and these are real and authentic subscribers. So that's about boosting social media engagement. So the next on the line is starting your airtime and data business. So let's take it. Actually, I've never tried this airtime and data business. I don't think there's any one-time fees to be paid to start this data business. I think it's all free. So as you can see, you can buy the MTN 2.5 gig data today for 490. You can be selling that for 600. MTN 1 gig data 30 day for 250, and can be selling that at 300 naira 50. So like that. There are several ways to make money on this platform. You can see you have different network airtime and data here. So you choose the one you want to sell, then buy it here, then sell it to people. So another way to make money on this website is, let me go back to the home, is by referring and getting people on this platform. So as a member on Orchid, you can earn 2 types of referral bonuses, which include earn an instant referral commission of 500 naira or earn social boost referral commission of 20% of any amount paid. So instant referral of 500 is when person register on this platform and pay the one-time fee of 1,000 naira, so you get 500 naira. So any social boost referral commission 20% of any amount paid. If when someone come on this website and buy any social media engagement, maybe followers, like, or any other thing, you get 20% of any amount the person spends on this site. You can see that's okay. So that's different way to earn money on this app. And you can also post your advertisements on this app. If you click on buying and sell anything, you can see different ads here of people. You can see, so you can also post your advertisements here and it will reach a lot of buyers here. As you can see, this outcome stretcher here, it reached 733 views. Let's check this one. Legit and simple means to earn dollar online. It reached 1.6k view. That's 1,600 views. So as you can see, if you post an ad here, you get a lot of engagement. Let's check this 360 frontal and full frontal here. You get 3.1k view. So a lot of that. So you can just come here and post your own products and services. You can check there. So that's about upkeep.ng. Please, if you get value in this video, please kindly subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, like this video and comment so that you get notified anytime I drop my next video. Thanks for watching.